Good morning and welcome to English 102 Critical Reading, Writing, and Research. I am Professor Rowe and I wanted to take a minute to walk you through our Blackboard page. If you look at the left, everything you need to know will be right here, including the home page, any important announcements, your syllabus, the course content. The course content will be where all of the assignments will be posted in modules. Then you can check your grades easily by clicking My Grades. The tab for discussions. This also includes a Q&A session, so if you would like to ask any questions that you think other students will probably have as well, I'm sure they will, I will check those and get back to you within 24 hours. And if you would like to send an email at any time, please feel free to do so. Go ahead and click on that course mail link. And then the last link is the Zoom link. And this is what you will be using in order to enter our Zoom meetings that we will be having for each class. If you click on the home page, this will automatically bring you to this image, which is at the beginning of the course, and then you have any announcements on the left-hand side and any assessments or anything that is due on the bottom right. If you go to announcements, I have posted the first announcement, just reviewing what I've covered. The syllabus will be something that you will probably want to reference quite often because it'll walk you through all of our major assignments. The course content has all of the essays in modules. Again, like we said, the discussion, and then course mail, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time and expect a response within 24 hours as well. I look forward to a wonderful semester together and I can't wait to get started.